Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study about a poem Little Fellow. Many of us have role models, people whom we admire for their work or the positive qualities that showcase their strong character. Children often observe and imitate whatever their role models do or say. So at first we will recite this. There are little eyes upon you, and they are watching night and day. There are little ears that quickly take in every word you say. There are little hands all eager to do everything you do, and a little boy who's dreaming of the day he will be like you. You are the little fellow's idol, you are the wisest of the wise. In his little mind about you, no suspicious ever rise. There are wide-eyed little fellow who believes you are always right, and his ears are always open and he watches day and night. You are setting an example every day in all you do for the little boy who's waiting to grow up to be like you. By Shirley Mitton. So the poet is Shirley Mitton, who has written this. In this poem, Little Fellow by Shirley Mitton is about giving advice to the role models who children often follow and hero worship. The speaker in the poem says that the role model should watch how they walk, talk, and behave. This is because there may be a child who is copying the actions of their role model, and it is important that role models exhibit good values so that children learn the right things from them. So, as I have recited and I have told you something about the poem, I want you to recite this poem at least 2 or 3 times. Children, they admire their role models for their positive qualities that showcase their strong character. Children often observe and imitate their role models. So, let's begin. There are little eyes upon you, and they are watching night and day. There are little ears that quickly take in every word you say. So, in this first stanza, little eyes refers to little kids, little children, their eyes, and how they are watching their role models. You refers to role model, how they are watching their role models night and day, they follow them. There are little ears that quickly take in every word you say, and their little ears, they are always eager to hear about their role models and they like to listen to their role models, and they take their words, they understand their words. There are little hands are eager to do everything you do, and little boy who's dreaming of the day he will be like you. There are little hands, these children, the child is all eager to do everything whatever his role model is doing and wants to be like his role model. He is dreaming to be like his role model. So role model should behave in the same way, so he can give positive things to this child, and he can inspire, he or she, the role model can inspire a lot of children to do good things. Third stanza, you are the little fellow's idol, you are the wisest of the wise. In his little mind about you, no suspicious ever rise. So in this stanza, the little fellow's idol, the role model, the child think that his role model or her role model is wisest of the wise. For him, he is the wisest of the wise, and his little mind, there is no doubt about his role model, there is no suspicious, he has complete faith in his role model, and there is no doubt for that. Number 4, there's a wider little fellow who believes you are always right, and his ears are always open as he watches day and night. There's a wider little fellow who believes you are always right, and his ears are always open as he watches day and night. So that little kid, he looks at his role model with respect. He thinks the child thinks that my role model is always right. And his ears are always open as he watches day night. And his ears are ready to hear his everything about his role model, whether it is positive or negative things. So here the role model's role is to always say good things so that the child can learn. The last stanza, stanza fifth. You are setting an example every day in all you do for the little boy who's waiting to grow up to be like you. So you have to set now here the poet wants to tell all the role models, give message to all the role models that you are an example. You are setting an example for these little kids, and every day whatever you do, so you should behave in that manner. Okay, the speaker in the poem wants the role models to behave with responsibility because there are little kids who are always ready to hear them, imitate them. For the little boy who is waiting to grow up to be like you, and that little kid who is waiting, the child who wants to be like his role model. So here, role model's role is very very important, and that's why Shirley Mitton, she is giving advice to role models to who children often follow and hero worship. She wants to tell the role models that they should watch how they walk, talk, and behave. So it was a very nice poem. Hopefully you liked it. So talk about this poem. This poem is divided into 5 stanzas of 4 lines, each with second line in each stanza rhyming with the fourth line. The simple structure of the poem is an appropriate vehicle for the simple message that it conveys. However, it seems to be addressed to an adult reader than a child. Hopefully, you enjoyed this poem. Thank you.